Hello everyone, this is Chris with StickerFab. Today I'm with our 2025 Toyota 4Runner. This is an SR5 model, so I'll be showing this install on an SR5 Grille, but it's pretty much a universal kit, so it all comes down to spacing of the lights. With the SR5, I'm going to put them right here, one in the middle, one right here, and one right here. It comes with all of this wiring already pre-connected, so this is kind of plug and play for these lights over here. And then you use an add fuse and you connect it into your fuse box. It comes with like 3 different styles of fuse connectors. I'm using the low profile mini ATM. I'm connecting it to the top left, which is a blank spot right there. It will come with one fuse. I put that fuse in the bottom slot because it's a 10 amp. And then I use one of my spare fuses here and I put that in the top slot. So that's all ready to go. As you can see, you can get your fuse box cover back on there. And then for a ground point, I'm using this point right in here. I use a 10 millimeter socket to get that out, put that in there and tighten it back up. There are multiple points where you can ground it, just test it out, but that one works really well for me. I've shown how to access this area in multiple videos, including my JDM Premium horn install video. Basically, this panel right here comes off. You have these plastic fasteners. They start off in a flat position. You push them down, you pull them out, and then when you reset them and reinstall them, you just want to push them up and then push them back flat again. As you can see here, we do have active shutters, so I made sure not to get in the way of those. Conveniently, there are these 4 tabs, and you can actually run the wires under there. They have this little screw-on little connector that you want to push through as well. One right there, and I will use these 2 other tabs to push through the wiring for the other 2. Let me get those other 2 installed, and then I'll check everything and then put this back on. Remember, you have to have accessory power to light these up, so you will need to get in your vehicle and at least turn the accessory power on. Like I said, this is a universal kit and they provide you these 3M strips so they can be installed like this, or you can lay them on top of a trim panel like that. To make the spacing real even, I use this grill slat. I pushed this one up against that, and then on the inner side, I pushed it up against these. So these are the slats that I pushed up against. If you want to make the install nice and tidy, just zip tie all of that together and make sure it looks clean going out that way. Button everything up, make sure you've left nothing under the hood, and then you're all done. All right, there's the final look of everything installed. If you guys want, you can look in the description. You'll find a link to pick up this product. We also have it linked on our website as well. Please like this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we're coming out with for the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner.